Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple recipe to how to make candy, homemade candy. So what you need is, I'm going to do the marshmallow recipe. If you want to do other recipes, I'm going to tell you later. So you need sugar, water, ice tray, and a pot, any pot. So you have, and marshmallows. But if you want to do like chocolate recipe, you can add chocolate into the mix instead of marshmallows. Or if you want to make strawberry recipes, the strawberry recipe, you can just add strawberry candy, strawberry flavored candy, and we added some condensed milk with sugar and water. You must have sugar, water, ice tray, and a pot. So you have to combine sugar, water, and marshmallows put into the pot, and then just boil it until it's like a sugary substance, and just put it into ice tray. We didn't show you that because we've tried that before and something went wrong in my computer. So when you come to this step, you put it inside the fridge. Yeah, it smells very nice. And this is the strawberry and condensed milk recipe. So we're gonna skip the process. Put it inside the fridge for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that, when it's done, take it out and serve. Yay! It's that simple. See you. Bye bye.